Welcome everybody. We are excited to have you all here tonight for the fourth wave of JUMPstart Clinical Nutrition. We have a very international group here. It's alone the JUMPstarters are from 17 countries. The evening tonight is just to get you connected.
I was even excited more because I've loved clinical nutrition throughout my training. I fell in love with it when I was doing my fellowship in Cape Town, South Africa. And so I've interacted with a lot of Fresenius, and I've realized that nutrition is a big thing.
I'm very excited to meet all those people from all around the world who have this big interest in clinical nutrition, and great opportunity to talk to them and have this exchange.
So just remember, there are no stupid questions. It's good to be curious and maybe also to challenge each other and then to learn from each other. It's really nice to see these interactions that help you also to be more present on the scientific stage.
That's a great opportunity to get all the ideas from the other participants, because everybody's from a different field of experience, experts, and they have a lot of different experiences, and really
like you are with a complete team of researchers working on a project.
Yes.
And first of all, how to, plan a full research project, and then how to get the best from data, and how to make a study informative for the patient's healthcare.
Writing a scientific paper is not rocket science. Perfection is almost impossible. We do have to strive for excellency.
To have the professors integrated in our groups, and also to benefit from that knowledge and experience that we don't have as youngers.
And interaction, yeah.
What are the effects of vitamin D on bone health? That's going to take you a long time.
The primary outcome is actually what you are designing your study for. The secondary is not.
When you're building your team, it's very important that you all explain to each other what your competences are.
Most young researchers actually have very new, bright ideas and will also mobilize their other young colleagues to be part of nutritional research.
So now the question is, are you really giving high-protein diets?
There are sites that don't have a nutrition protocol. This is not standardized.
We suggest a more gradual transition.
From the consensus of the discussion among the clinical experts here, we decide that 2 days is actually clinically relevant and significant in most of the settings. So that's why we go with 2 days.
Like I said, no study is perfect. And we were here to highlight.
Being here, having this opportunity to exchange with other younger researchers and renowned leading experts representing leading societies will help me to translate this research to clinical practice, to patient care. And we were exploring alternative ways to assess malnutrition in hospitalized older patients. So we are actually proposing alternative ways to use the mean nutritional assessment short form.
Nutrition is a common passion of us.
You can only do such projects as a team. It's not a one-person show, and it's just so important that you have all the different persons together to work on such a project. So thanks a lot.
It's going to be an awesome opportunity to you to learn more, to study more, and also to be a better doctor, actually.